Tree Removal Rouse Hill. Our expert arborists at Expert Tree Removal Pty Ltd are highly experienced in ensuring precise tree removal. Trees may need to be removed if they are dead, dying, structurally unsound, or located in an unsuitable spot. Upon assessment and recommendation, our team will remove the tree safely and with total care for the surroundings. Sometimes, tree removal is the only safe or logical solution. Expert Tree Removal Pty Ltd specializes in this area, offering stump grinding and poisoning services. We possess the right qualifications, extensive knowledge, the proper tools, and the right attitude to complete the job safely and efficiently. We service both residential and commercial clients, valuing each job equally. Whether it's a small tree in your backyard or a large emergency tree removal, you will receive the same expert service from our team. The safest tree removal services you'll find. If you have a dangerous tree or a stump that needs removal, contact us now.